In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a line graph on Google Slides. Before we begin, a quick heads up. On mobile, Google Slides doesn't let you create charts directly. The workaround is simple. Make the chart in the Google Sheets app first, then paste it into your Slides presentation. I'll walk you through that process from start to finish. Start by launching the Google Sheets app on your phone. Open the spreadsheet that contains the data you want to chart. For the cleanest result, make sure your data is organized in columns or rows with clear headers. For example, dates or categories in the first column, and one or more series of numbers in the columns to the right. Avoid extra blank rows, and try not to include subtotals or notes in the selection you'll chart. Now select the cells you want to include. Tap once to start the selection, then drag the blue handles to cover the entire range, including the header labels. If it's a tight fit on a small screen, pinch to zoom in so you can select precisely. This helps Sheets correctly label your axes and series. With the range selected, tap the plus icon at the top. This is the Insert button. From the menu that appears, choose Chart. When the chart types show up, select Line Chart. Line charts are ideal for showing trends over time or changes across an ordered category. If you see a preview that doesn't look right, double-check that your headers and data types are included in the selection. Tap Done to save the chart to your sheet. You'll see the chart placed right in the spreadsheet. Next, tap the chart to select it and choose Copy. This copies the chart to your clipboard so you can bring it into Slides. Switch over to the Google Slides app and open your presentation. Navigate to the slide where you want the graph to appear. It's a good idea to use a layout with enough open space so the chart is easy to read. Tap a blank area of the slide and select Paste. If you're prompted to link the chart to the spreadsheet, choose the option that suits your workflow. Linking keeps the chart updated when the data changes in Sheets, while pasting unlinked gives you a static snapshot. That's it. You've created a line graph in Google Sheets on your phone and added it to Google Slides. From here, you can position the chart, adjust its size, and present with confidence, knowing your data is clear and visually engaging.